Good evening to everyone. So what we discussed yesterday, equilibrium introduction completed, I hope. Anyone read from NCERT book? Anyone read NCERT book? Introduction of chemical equilibrium, ionic equilibrium, whatever. Any introduction, you completed? Very few replies are given. Remaining people just they log in, they are not responding. So I think you understood. What is equilibrium means? Okay, fine. Right. Next point, irreversible reaction, sir. We'll discuss. Even this is also important. We are getting sometimes questions. Which of the following is irreversible reaction and reversible reaction? Like that, they're asking, sir. What is irreversible reaction means? Product do not give again back reactants. That is a reaction, sir. Get it? The chemical reactions in which the products do not react under any conditions to give back reactants. So means these reactions move only one direction. Got it? Reactions move only one direction. Only one direction or only forward direction. So what we call, this is called irreversible reactions. Okay, these are called irreversible reactions. So examples we can see, sir. By looking at examples, you can find out very clearly. Precipitation reaction, sir, which is a forming precipitation. Precipitation, spelling you can check it. Precipitation formation reactions. Any reaction if they form precipitate, those are irreversible reaction. In any reaction, if they form precipitate, for example, BaCl2 I am taking plus Na2SO4. All these are aqueous, sir. Are the same thing. 10th standard also is there, sir. Same reaction. 10th standard is there. Same reaction, sir. BaSO4. This is precipitate plus NaCl. Aqueous means you will get ions. Precipitate means that going to be like down. They form like mud, sir. Even you can write AgNO3 plus NaCl. So AgCl. This is also precipitate. PPT I am writing, sir. Precipitate. You can write arrow symbol down. This indicate precipitate they are getting. Plus NaNO3 aqueous. Got it? Right? Any doubt here? Everything I wrote on screen. Whatever I am teaching, everything I wrote on the screen, sir. Please check it. If you are reading textbook, all these things, we can save time, we can solve problems. If you are reading NCERT book, try to read NCERT book, you can get easily information. We don't want to spend more time on basics. Next, thermal decomposition. Thermal decomposition. So for example, sir, these are classical example, KClO3. We use same example, stoichiometry problem solving also. KClO3 on heating. We get 2 KCl plus 3 O2. This is solid, but here gas, sir. Gas can escape from that easily. So next, decomposition reactions. Yeah, this only can take under thermal decomposition and itself generally. Under this only can write simply. NH4 NO2. This is more important reaction in 12th standard, which is getting product is N2, sir, after heating. Write it. We're getting N2. This is also gas state. Next. Neutralization reactions, sir. These are strong acid, strong base reactions generally. Neutralization reactions. Reactions between strong acid versus strong base. can write indirect is our neutralization reaction, sir. Neutralization reaction. Things you know, neutralization means acid-base reactions only called neutralization reactions. Write it. H2SO4 plus 2 moles of NaOH. I think so. Products you can get it, sir. I hope. I don't want to give. Right. HCl plus NaOH. Write the product. Na2SO4 plus 2H2O. Thermodynamics problems are solving or not? Please check it, sir. We didn't given too many problems in the class. Please practice. Thermochemistry, concentrate more. Thermochemistry and last part, which is entropy, Gibbs free energy, you have to concentrate more. But every model question I given, but more number we didn't discuss. In thermodynamics, sir, I'm asking thermodynamics. Please revise those also again. Due to lack of time. But send your doubts, whatever you have that one. I can reply that is. There is strong acid versus strong base. Strong acid versus strong base. Got it? These are the irreversible reactions. So irreversible reactions we are showing with respect to only one arrow, sir. Keep in mind all the reactions I wrote with respect to one arrow. I hope you understood this clearly. The next question, we are studying about reversible reactions. Reversible reactions and chemical equilibrium and everything, sir. Under that only we are discussing. Equilibrium, chemical, physical, everything, sir. That is under that. So what's the main role of equilibrium? Why we are studying, sir? I'm giving briefly, you can see here. And here only we are getting reversible reactions. So we can show arrow, sir. This is like this, or you can show like this. Representation of reactions. Representation of reversible reactions, sir. This is the representation of reversible reactions. Yeah. What's the main thing why I have to study about equilibrium? That's I'm going to discuss here. So few reactions you can write, reversible reactions examples, few reactions. Then we'll discuss clearly again. Yesterday also we discussed, but again, sir, we'll discuss that is 2NO2. So all these are occurs in closed containers, sir. These reactions occurs closed container or closed vessel or containers. Your wish, sir, your pronunciation and your English up to you. That is, that's not chemistry. Closed container. So you may can take the mention here state also gas state, liquid state. That's up to you. In the question they will mention. You can check it. Now I am giving briefly reactions. Please note down. PCl5, PCl3 plus Cl2. Why only 2 Cls breaking here? Any reason? Why not PCl2 plus 3Cl? Any reason, sir? Anyone can give? Anyone can you provide reason? Why we are getting only 2 Cl outside? Why not 3 coming out, 2 with P? Anyone? Hey, diatomic you can write 3 by 2 also, na? Cl2. Who can say that word? No, no. Any one student? No, no, no. Actually, this is proven by, we have proved that one in chemical bonding. Why they are coming only 2Cl outside also. Yeah, maybe a reason, some of the reasons nearby, but which is I am expected reason. Okay, you are giving answers correct, sir. Some answers is correct. But I didn't get which is the expected reason still. Write all these things. These reactions very frequently are going to be used. That's why I'm giving all the list of this one. Maybe reverse reactions they will give. No need information they will provide in the question, but how to balance all these things if you know, that's good. Reason why PCl5 is only Cl means I given. What is the phosphorus hybridization, sir? sp3d. Axial equatorial is there, sir. Axial bond lengths are longer than equatorial bonds. That's why these are easily can break it. That is the reason we are getting easily 2Cl outside. Axial equatorial. Once upon a time in chemical bonding we discussed that one. Is it correct? Fine. Leave it. So things you noted down. These are the reversible reactions. So now, why you are studying equilibrium means very simple, sir. I'm giving just few words. Thermodynamics. What they given information, sir? Thermodynamics. Write one line, sir. No need much more. Thermodynamics. What's the main thing? Spontaneous as feasibility of the reaction. They given. What they given? Thermodynamics given by spontaneous or feasibility of the reaction given by thermodynamics. The spellings you can check it. Spontaneity given. Chemical kinetics. One more chapter is there, sir. Chemical kinetics. It will talk about speed of the reaction. With respect to time, how much reactants convert into product. Chemical kinetics itself meaning they given. Chemical equilibrium. By knowing equilibrium, we can find out extent of the chemical reaction, sir. Extent of the chemical reaction. We can say that word, extension. Extent of the chemical reaction. We can study about extent of the chemical reactions. Means very simple. Suppose you are preparing one new medicine. Assume that one. We are preparing one new medicine. We are combining A plus B, then that gives product. Okay, something C product. But if you know equilibrium that existing, then I can study about equilibrium state. Maybe these are highly costly, sir. Sometimes reactants are highly costly. Okay, highly costly. But only 50% reactant only, or something 60% of the reactant convert into product. You're getting 60% product and 40% reactant is remaining still. But 40% of reactant wastage means sometimes reactants too much costly, sir. If you convert 100% product, then you can sell out your industry, you can make it, that is good profits. But 40% reactant only waste, that is, then how? If you are getting this 40% also product means you can get it good profit. You're getting my point? Array, all the medicines and industry, everything is profit purpose only, sir, they are doing. Then no one do service, social service. They're preparing medicine, they are finding medicine, new medicine, but they're selling outside. Same thing. If I know equilibrium conditions, okay, they reaches equilibrium. By changing temperature, can I get forward reaction or not? Now that is thinking. By changing pressure, can I get forward reaction or not? Our target always forward reaction because we need to get product. Or by changing volume, can I get forward reaction? By changing concentration, can I get forward reaction? Like that, we are thinking, sir. So if you know all these factors affecting, then we can change product formation. Maybe we can get more product, less product, we can decide that everything, sir. So first we have to study equilibrium state properly. How they are reaching equilibrium, what is the use of equilibrium, so how to calculate concentration of each component at equilibrium. So is there any relation by knowing, suppose that is equilibrium existing, after knowing equilibrium, is it reactants is stable or products is stable? Shall we decide that one? Or shall we predict the reaction? It can move forward direction how much? Or still suppose some students are, two students they are doing work, two research scholars, student A and B they are doing one work, sir. Together they are doing work. Together they are doing one work. A student they started experiment, reaction going on here, and you can imagine one laboratory, everything, they're doing everything, sir. A student they started experiment, this is, both they are doing together. But A went outside, then B came. Is it reaction complete or still going on? How to find out? So we can predict by knowing the concentration of reactants and products. You can predict reaction going forward direction or backward direction. B came, then by knowing this concentration, how much is present reactant product, he can say still reaction moving forward direction or reaction is stopped. Like that also you can say that word. So we can predict reactions also. Is it going forward or backward, still like that. And I understood what is the little bit importance of equilibrium. Now we are writing just little bit. And actually host given 15 minutes late. He transferred to me host 15 minutes late, sir. I was in 3:45 exactly, but he given late. That's why 15 minutes we wasted. The next time we can try it. Anyway, tomorrow 2 o'clock now class. You can try it. 1.5 hour means you can cover most. Right. Next equilibrium. And I'm giving just briefly. Yesterday we given all these things. Physical equilibrium, chemical equilibrium, sir. Physical equilibrium. Next, chemical equilibrium. I'm discussing here physical equilibrium. Just one example, sir. I'm not giving too many because yesterday I given explanation very clearly. Equilibrium means where there occurs are all these reactions, closed vessel or open vessel. Closed cell, closed container. Please keep in mind that always. So possibility I'm giving here, maybe you can get 3 possibilities, or even if you are finding more also. First you can write solid to liquid. Solid to liquid, sir. Melting of ice, can you take it example? Melting of ice. Just one example, sir. Just formality purpose only. H2O, solid. And H2O liquid. Or you can write ice to water also. You can write ice to water. What happened at equilibrium? What is equal, sir? Rate of melting. What's the forward direction? Melting. Array, you understood, sir? What is the forward reaction? This is melting of ice. Backward reaction, crystallization of ice. Can you write, sir? Rate of melting. Or fusion only, na? Fusion or melting, sir? Your word, that is up to you. If you want to write what you can say, that is still scientific word, rate of fusion. I'm writing melting, sir. Melting equal to rate of crystallization. What we call, sir, ice convert into liquid into ice means what we call that term, you can write, sir. What's the term they're using, please, you can write. Crystallization only the term. Any other term is there? Or solidification. You can write anything, sir. Solidification or crystallization. Yeah, freezing also. Yes, you can write freezing or solidification. Or up to you that term. Huh? Melting, rate of melting equal to rate of freezing. Okay, you can write freezing also, correct only, na? Yeah, you can write, sir, freezing. But ultimately, which is they convert liquid into water. That's only. Sorry, liquid into ice. Freezing. Spellings you can check it. Don't expect from me, that is. Next one. Second example. I'm taking here liquid to gas. Liquid to gas. Yeah, you can take with water also, doesn't matter. Any example you can take it here, liquid to gas. Liquid vapor equilibrium, sir. I'm writing liquid vapor equilibrium. Right, next. So here what you can write, liquid to vapor. Rate of vaporization equal to rate of condensation, sir. I'm giving here. Can take it here. Liquid is there. Liquid can convert into vapor. Then all the vapor also can convert into liquid. This we call condensation. So you can write at equilibrium. Water also you can take it, sir. Same water you can take it. H2O. H2O only can write. H2O liquid to H2O vapor you can write. So you can write one term. Rate of vaporization equal to rate of condensation. Can you write that term, sir? Right? This is forward direction. RF, sir. I am using very clearly. This is backward. Double arrow only I am writing, sir. Don't get any confusion. What that, sir, you wrote in between? Don't get confusion. I am writing double arrow only. If you don't like to write, then write very clearly up to whatever you understanding. Like this also you can write. Forward direction is RF. Backward is RB. Please keep in mind. What is the RF equal to here? Nothing but rate of forward reaction or rate of vaporization, sir. This is RF equal to rate of forward reaction. Don't get confusions. These are the terminology which they are using in problem. RB means rate of backward reaction. So what you can say, rate of vaporization equal rate of condensation. Can I write? Right, sir. Rate of vaporization. Right, rate of vaporization equal to rate of condensation. Rate of condensation. So next one. What's the one more? Solid to gas. Things we can call sublimation also, no? This is right. So rate of solid vapor equilibrium, sir. This is solid vapor equilibrium. Solid vapor. So we can write rate of sublimation equal rate of condensation. Sublimation, sir. This is sublimation, and other one is condensation. So example, rate of sublimation equal rate of condensation. You can write, sir, at equilibrium. Always mention at equilibrium rate of sublimation equal to rate of condensation. Examples: I2 solid converted into I2 gas. Next, NH4Cl, sir. This also can sublimate. NH4Cl solid 2. Next, NH4Cl vapor. Please write it little bit fast. Camphor solid, sir. Camphor solid. Solid to vapor. Please mention rate of sublimation equal to rate of condensation at equilibrium. Always, sir, at equilibrium, where equaling means at equilibrium only. At equilibrium, rate of sublimation equal to rate of condensation. Yes, yes, naphthalene also you can write, sir. Naphthalene also you can write. Doesn't matter. Right. I am giving few examples only. Remaining you can write. Doesn't matter, sir. All are correct only. Anything? Sublimation after we are getting back vapor to solid. Condensation, that is. Different examples also you can write it, sir. Now I am taking any reaction. Reaction you can take it later. First we can discuss. I think these are the physical equilibrium, sir. It has some own characters, general characters of equilibrium involving physical process. So closed container this occurs. All these points is common. Is there NCERT book they given? Please can you find? Is NCERT book contain general characters of physical equilibrium? Yes or no? Is contain NCERT book general characters of equilibrium? Page number anyone can give that one. NCERT book physical equilibrium. It contains some. Please can you find out that is NCERT book they given or not? Page number also, sir. I need page number. Lesson second paper 196. Yes. General characters of equilibrium involving physical process. That's the mention. 196. Is it correct? Page number 196, sir. Please note down these general characters. General characteristics of equilibrium involving physical process. Right from NCERT, sir. What is the mostly equilibrium occur in closed system like that, sir? Equilibrium have dynamic in nature. These only no points. The equilibrium have dynamic nature. Why that word I am using? Equilibrium have dynamic in nature. Why we are using, sir, that word? It occurs closed container or closed vessel, sir. Closed vessel. Then it have dynamic nature. Dynamic in nature. All measurable properties at equilibrium constant, sir. At equilibrium all measurable properties are constant. For example, color. I given yesterday colors are I2 color starting is decreasing. After they reach certain point, they won't be changed. Is it correct? Examples are color, viscosity. Next, vapor pressure also, sir. Vapor pressure which you are measuring. Vapor pressure. POI vapor pressure. Initially, vaporization may increases pressure, liquid that convert into vapor. After certain time, the increasing of this level going to be constant, sir. They won't be reach. After they reach maximum, they stop. So vapor pressure, etc. These are constant, which is measurable properties are constant, sir. Over. Any doubt? You can refer NCRT books or page number better. You can get more information. Just refer NCRT book. Just I'm giving idea purpose. Yesterday only read mostly. Some people. Read NCRT book carefully, sir. That will save you too much and that make you topper compared to others. You are intelligent or not secondary, sir. No one will ask you that one. But you are reading NCRT book or not, keep in mind carefully. Line to line you are reading, then understanding, and you are maybe writing main points from NCRT because all students they won't read NCRT book. Actually, you feel that one you are English medium, sir. You are, sir, I am studying LKG or UKG. I think so nursery also, no? Almost you studied at 12 years, sir. Still now. Before first class 3 years is there. Is it correct? 3 years. Then first to 10th. Almost 13 years you done. Now plus 1 year. 14 years you done, sir. 14 years you are studying English medium. But still, sentence meaning you don't know most of the people. Still, I'm challenged that one. If he said no, sir, means read NCRT book. Then prove that one. Are you getting my point? Carefully read that sentence. Try to understand line to line. If you are going to prove, sir, we done 14 years English medium, but still we don't know English meaning, terminology meaning, is that's very bad. Surely, sir, most of the people who never read NCRT book 9th, 10th standard. I hope you done only materials by adding something you done. Not all people. Okay, I'm accepting that is some people sincere students is there. Who can read NCRT book properly? No one will stop you to reach your target. No one, sir, that is. No one, sir, that is really. By reading NCRT, then following class notes, then solving problems. Try to by 2019 and 2020 previous JE questions, then solve it. Regularly, chapter completed, search all the questions, then do that questions. Okay, next class we'll discuss chemical equilibrium, sir. If anything is remaining, just read and come. Next class we'll discuss chemical equilibrium. Got it? So 2 classes only for introduction we done, but no problem. Next class we can do properly. Next class we can do, sir. If any information extra you got it related to concepts, you can add to your notes. You can add to your notes also. Somewhere you read textbook any point. Good, good. Good, good. Okay, read. Very good. Who are reading NCRT book regularly? That's very good. Keep in mind, you are reaching your target very easily. That is a good path. Array, you can take break. Now our class is over mostly. I think 4:45 only, na? Just anyone interested, you can stay 1 minute or 2 minutes. Array, this is our target, sir. We are here. Assume that one. Array, we have too many paths. Too many roads we have that one. Too many roads. Too many parallel roads is there, opposite roads is there. Too many roads, sir, from here. Any direction we can move like that. You can come here and come back. Too many directions. But easiest path is NCRT class notes previous question. This is the thing. Easiest path, sir. This is the best one. Easy way you can reach. Just read NCERT perfectly, follow class notes, then do previous questions. Yeah, different things is there, sir. Too many things is there. Whatever you are doing work, that never be waste. But if that is relevant work means easy to get our success. Reason we don't have too much time. That is a problem. If you are studying for JE, 4 years means we can get it, sir. More time is there. We can do more than teacher. We can get more knowledge. You can try it. Your target is right now mostly almost 1 year over. One more year only we have that one. Then we have to get up to the might. Almost January came means next year maybe they can conduct exam January only. So period that one only 1 year you have that one. Take it seriously. We can reach. Thank you. Thank you very much. Can meet next class.